Sekucicile ukuthi iqembu le-NFP seqinisekisile ukuthi liyazi ukuthi lifuna ukuyaphi njengoba ke lithi bathatha abantu abazinkinga abakhalaza ngazo kuzifundazwe uhulumeni ngokubambisana ke kwamaqembu lapha ke ukungqoshe uhlomoka ungqoshe kwesimanje Zulu phinde futhi kubeke ungundu nankulu esifundazwe Thamsanqa kaNtuli.
Sithi i-IFP ayikhiphi uThamsanqa kaNtuli, i-ANC ayikhiphi uMEC Hlomoka, ayikhiphi uNomagugu. Then we can talk.
Ekhuluma ke nabezindaba namhlanje bengameli weqembu le-NFP Ivan Barnes qinisekisile ukuthi basengxoxweni ke ne-MK Party ukucaba ke indlela yaphambili uthi abafihli ke bona njengoba ke bekwenza lokho nje bekumemezela futhi uthi ke ivoti labantu balapho kwaSinathali baveza ngokwanele ukuthi ke bafisa abahola ke iqembu le-MK Party uthi isikhathi sokuthi ke lokho ke kube njalo.
And we have taken an NEC decision to go and meet with the MKP. We were not there when they started their motion of no confidence. There was no meeting. When we raised that we do not have confidence in the Premier, it is then when they send us an invitation. And we have a policy. Joman, if you remember, last year we said we'll meet with any party to talk about government. And between all of us that are here, through the corridors, all parties have met with MK and tried to seal a deal. That is why we are saying in that statement, there is a general feeling in all partners to say MKP must take lead. And we are just repeating the very same thing and emphasizing Ubuti. Even the president of the IFP told us through you media people Ubuti, he interested about the Zululand, it because the IFP are little. Speak the no magama. City interested about KwaZulu Natal. It MKP my part. Because now Magokurman MKP, my look how they can survive. But we are placing it, we haven't withdrawn from the GPU on it. We have merely saying as NFP, if I say clarify, IFP, I keep Thamsanqa kaNtuli because if you recall in the media statement about 3 weeks ago, Sati must grow a backbone. Namanje sasho ukuthi akabe nomgogodla njengoPremier. Now I'm going to Nkosi Corner's question. Into ithi lento corruption. I have to meet Zulu and English brothers. We are saying from the Scopa report, Treasury report, the Department of Transport leads with a staggering of 34.4 billion in irregular expenditure. That's corruption.
Barnes uthi uyaqonda ukuthi ngaphakathi kweqembu le-NFP nokuhlukana okukhona uthi ke kodwa umsebenzi wabo uqiniseke ukuthi bakhoma ke ngazi lodwa ukuveza ke umnyelezo oqondile uthi ke vele khona ngaphakathi kwe-NFP abantu abathengwayo aveza ukuthi ke banikhovu yabathile. Barnes yinaba
the question is isiZulu khanisana sashisa inyama waqhasha imkhovu silwa ne-IFP ne-corrupt leadership kaMnumzane Thamsanqa kaNtuli kwazopringana imkhovu esingayazi qhamukaphi izothi i-NFP ayikhulumi ngezwe lodwa nemfeneke imithakatha seqhamukilana ithi mibaleka iduki ibaleke liyemzini umthakatho ithumile and sesiyabona ke imthakathi ethuma ukuthi izodestroy NFP and we're going to deal with them and we are not playing.